Yeah, no, I am.
You are being racist.
I'm
Being racist.
I'm a Nazi.
We pulled over our vehicle and we wanted to ask only for the directions.
No big preamble to set him off in the attack, the verbal attack that he unleashed. Just the mere asking of the question.
Yes.
Take your head towel off in this country then.
Yeah, why should I take it off?
Take it off.
Why should I take it
It
off?
supports
I
Muslims.
can dress any way I want.
It supports Muslims.
I wanted to stand up for my rights and raise my voice against those comments like "go back to your country."
You are being racist.
You know what a Nazi
You
is?
shouldn't do that to me.
Dude,
You shouldn't do that to me.
What was it like to be on the receiving end of "I'm a Nazi"? Take off your headscarf. That hatred hurled at you.
I was really shocked because I heard about people saying that take off your hijab off or go back to your country, these kinds of comments. But this is the first time that I heard something like I'm a Nazi, and proclaiming someone like himself as a Nazi is really new, was really new to me. So I was shocked with that.
go back to your
This
country.
is my country.
No, it's not.
Yeah. Excuse me. You are being racist.
What are you doing? Problem. They have just as much of the right here.
Oh, seriously, like, this is embarrassing. Don't do that.
I love this country.
Good for you.
I live here. I pay taxes. And I do a job.
You don't even have to explain yourself because you're just as much Canadian as he is.
Thank you very much.
And that's just such a striking moment to watch as they walk in and say, you don't have to explain yourself, you're just as much Canadian as he is. Those two women, what are your thoughts of them, Kenise?
As I said, like, we were scared and we were concerned about our safety. Then these two women approached and spoke out. At the time, we felt empowered. I felt empowered and I felt safer. I feel really proud of these women because these women represents Canada to me, not that person. They made me stand up for my right and for my voice more when I was really scared and concerned about my safety. I'm really proud of those women.
This is embarrassing, and this, don't even let this bother you, Dave.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
No, seriously, just go. Do you have a problem?
Yeah, I do.
Like a serious problem?
We hear you in that video excerpt saying, I love this country. Do you still love this country?
I do love this country. That's why I stood up for the Canadian values, which is inclusion, not division, which is respecting others' value. So this is our country. This is my country. I love my country.